October is Tacoma Arts Month, and for the 24th year, the city is turning to a showcase of creativity. From performances to exhibits, there's something for everyone. Mark McKittrick is here for a preview of what to expect for this year's celebration.
We know that arts and creativity happens all year round, but this is our one opportunity to really dive in and experience it all together as a community and bring light to all of the creativity and art that's happening all year round.
Tacoma Arts Month celebrates 24 years this October and is inviting the community to join in this festive celebration.
We want to invite the public to come out this year to the Tacoma Public Library on October 4th. The public can come in and witness performances, experience the arts in the Handforth Gallery, work with Tacoma Creates organizations and their interactive activities. Lots of good stuff coming up.
Leading into Tacoma Arts Month, the Tacoma City Council recently recognized the community members and organizations that promote and cultivate creative connections in the city with the annual AMACAT Awards ceremony.
The AMACAT Arts Awards are a publicly nominated and publicly selected as representatives of arts and culture here in Tacoma.
An exciting opportunity that is a major component of Tacoma Arts Month are the open studio tours that happen throughout the celebration.
Make sure you pick up your studio tour booklet. That's where you get an inside look at all of the artists participating. The community can come out and really see what artists create, where they create it, how they create it. It's a wonderful opportunity to get inside that creative mind.
Additional programs that will be featured this year include dance performances, interactive experiences, visual art exhibits, film screenings, literary events, and a variety of workshops. All of these events are open to the public and most are free of charge.
Arts is what connects us to community. Arts is what allows us to embrace our neighbors. It's what brings us all together. And, buy local, shop local. Supporting local artists is one of the best ways you can do that.
For Tacoma Report, I'm Mark McKittrick.
For more information and a detailed schedule of events, visit tacomaartsmonth.org.